Singena via Orlando, Siaku Kef. Right, MC Alger and Orlando Pirates, there's what we call simulation. Simulation is pretending to have been fouled and deceiving the referee. Let's go and see if this player was fouled. Ayob. Asambe nekaya ke siobona ke kutno. Ufan Royan is trying to kick there. He did not get the ball. He did not kick anyone. But the player there decides to go through Van Royan and deceive the referee, pretending to have been fouled. And then siabona lana Ibrahim Traore, uyayibona lento ukuthi ayikho la, this player utry ukubamba inkuzi. He ignored that but gave a yellow card for simulation. Correct decision by Ibrahim Traore from Ivory Coast for giving a yellow card for simulation. Silo sakusaseka. Right. Asambeni ke siya Loftus. Kona ke kune big teams that were playing over the weekend. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, right. Asambeni ke sibona ukuthi what happened first? It's simulation. Not simulation, it's mass confrontation. We are lama. And amaguliwa kune rule in the law book under law 12 showing lack of respect for the game. A player must be cautioned. Asambeni kuti aboban ba show a lack of respect. Dog so asambeni ke right. Look at that. Look at that. A player goes with a lunch. That is reckless on its own. We are missing. We are dons of foot. U Serino lo. Magateta lana u Lucas. We are one of no. Lo mutu lo zong limas. We are push. That is showing lack of respect for the. Look at that there. That is a lunch. So that is reckless. That player must be cautioned. Then magateta lana we are dons and then we are retaliate. By law, it's showing lack of respect for the game. So Lucas was cautioned. Look at it. So it's turned. But then it's turned. Yellow card for his retaliation, which is showing lack of respect. And for Serino, he has got 2 counts. Showing lack of respect and also the lunge, which is more reckless.
So he should have gotten a yellow there?
He should have, both of them, yellow.
All right, well, let's take a look at what people are asking you. Nangu ubanyana mponeng. Aibo. Uti, it was a soft offside. That one year Sundowns versus Chiefs. It is always allowed in football. They say it's not just him. The coach at Sundowns, he also wants us to take a look at it. Have a look.
Then it's after it's obvious, then comes a goal that is offside. I think you all saw. If you didn't saw, go back and look at it because it's clear. So when we work in a country that doesn't have a VAR, that's what happens. So just go back, take the image, you have the images, get the image from the TV, and there's a team that loses this competition out of a mistake from the referee.
Yeah, Coach Cardoso, arbitros de la CAF, de la FIFA Victor, will explain it to you today. Right, let's go to the match, Chiefs and Sundowns. We see a goal scored. Offside law says when a player is nearer to his opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. Let's see who's nearer to the goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. Nizoyibone khaya la ngoba ngizozama ukuyifreeza so that nibona ukuthi no who is nearer to the opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. Ngiyastoppa la. Who is nearer to the goal line? You can see Preez there when George Matlo crossed the ball. He is nearer to the opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. So that is offside. So we'll wait for interference because we say it is not an offense to be in an offside position. When the ball is played, you play the ball, you are now interfering with play. Therefore, flag should come out for offside. Some say, no, ayiko offside from a square ball. No, you can't. The only time when we talk of a square ball, ayiko offside is when this player, this one who cross is here. Then when he crosses the ball, dog, Ayiko, because so offside, the player is behind the ball, and then no one can be offside when he's behind the ball. But my son, offside, the player is in front, and Maga Pambili, offside law says he's offside, he must be penalized. But why would assistant referee pick up offside? This is soccer zone. Why the assistant referee did not flag? Position yake imenjan. Sizonbonisa ke ukuthi no, he must be in line with the second last opponent. Now assistant referee was supposed to be here, but Ula. So that is what made this decision a wrong call because he was wrongly positioned. So, aswi sasekanga leswi.